In this video, I'm going to dismantle my hair. This massive, long, cool hair. Alright, go away. Watch me doing this vlog.
Crazy.
Go and sleep. It's already like 2 AM. Actually, I feel sleepy, guys. I was just from the play, and yeah, I'm so sleepy right now. I'm going to dismantle it. Okay, so first I'm gonna test myself whether I can do it by myself or not. Right? Because I'm not a hair professional. I'm going to do this. There's a pin. I feel it. So I just pulled it out. This one. If you can see it. Oh, you cannot see it. Yeah, this thing, and yeah, I think. Okay, one more. Wow. This is an Evelyn's one. Okay, another one from here. Yeah, I like these guys. Actually, it was supposed to have a chopstick, you know, like a chopstick. I mean, goes through my hair. This one, this part, top hair. This one. And I feel another one. And there's one hair stick on it. Yeah, and just so wait, one more. Yeah. So how many? 5, guys. 5. Like it's like a treasure hunt. I got 5 right here.
I can only say that.
Then another one. Wait. 6, guys. 6. Oh my. 6, 7. Wow, actually this hair didn't fall because they put a lot of this pin onto my hair. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this thing is coming out. And then wow, really it's attached. Oh, it just dropped. Okay, this one. Wow, you see how it's kind of like cool, you know, to be honest. Like one whole thing, it just needs to be pinned. Crazy, sister. Yeah, actually if you see right here, there is something like the skin of the head. You see it? No man, I think I'm crazy. Yeah, should I dismantle my beard? My mustache is real actually. Just they use the mascara to like blacken it up. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it, guys. It's gonna be hurt. Oh my, this is hurt, guys. Hurt. Oh my god. What? Dude. Oh, because actually I have a bit of hair right here. So that's why it's actually hurt. When the glue stick with the real hair and with the fake hair, and I pull them out, and it's gonna be hurt because the real hair is gonna be falling off. Oh, guys, look at it. Look at it, guys. Oh. Okay. I don't think I want to edit this video, guys. I just make it raw like that. Right? It's kind of troublesome to edit video. Waste a lot of times, you know. And then, yeah.
Now, I can only say this.